Can you guess the candy by emojis? You have 20 questions to answer in 5 seconds. Let's get started. It's peanut chocolate bar. It's rainbow candy. It's cherry lollipop. It's strawberry donut. It's honey candy. It's green apple lollipop. It's Milky Way. It's Kit Kat. It's Hershey Kisses. It's Fireball. It's Jolly Rancher. It's Red Hot.
It's Gobstoppers. It's candy corn. It's Airheads. It's Red Vines. It's Nerds.
It's cookie dough ice cream.
It's bottle caps. It's cherry bomb.
Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.